In this video, we're going to be replacing sway bar links on 2014 Mercedes ML350. Procedure should be very easy. Obviously, jack the vehicle up, remove the wheel, have jack stands for safety. Whoever replaced tires, over tighten the lug nuts. I'm going to use this one. And we're going to be replacing this piece right here. I don't think this one's original because it has a regular normal nuts, and usually Mercedes is going to have ones that look like this. So we have to remove this nut and this one. Also interesting is right here. Not sure why it's like that. This side seemed okay. Painted this area that looked like it's scratched. I'll drive for a bit to see if this scratches the control arm, if that's what the issue, the noise is, but we'll see. If you have original one, you might need to hold the thread. Usually you'll have a hole there, you have to put like a hex attachment there, and you can remove the nut. In this one, I don't have one. This one takes 18 millimeter. I'll see if I can loosen it just as regular ratchet. Gonna try to use impact wrench. It's actually worked. On your new sway bar link, make sure the thread's working. And it looks like it does. I'm gonna work on removing the bottom piece. It's also 18 millimeter. No room for impact wrench here. Gonna have to add a pipe to the ratchet. Oh, that was pretty easy. Sway bar link didn't look too bad. Now I'm gonna insert the new one. I'm gonna start by hand tightening on the top. Tough part gonna be to secure this one. Gonna try using a pry bar. And it is working. Looks like with this design the thread should not rotate, so I'm gonna get a deep socket and use a ratchet. Torque spec should be about 98 Newton meters or 78 foot-pounds. Looks good and very easy. Torque for lug nut is 110 foot-pounds. That's how you replace sway bar links. I'll provide Amazon affiliate links for parts, tools I used to get this job done. I got mine from FCP Euro, but there are several good options on Amazon as well. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to respond as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.